If they ask me, I could write a book about the way you walk, whisper, and look.
Bottoms up ka o bottoms down? Para sa akin, salamat.
On how we met, so the world would never forget. And the simple.
It's been 4 years and 11 months since I first saw you, and honestly, the way I feel hasn't changed. Mas tumibay pa.
I know you a whole
Take two, take two.
And then the world discovers as my book ends how to make two lovers a friend. If they ask me, I could write a book about the way you walk, talk, whisper, and look. I could write a breath of friend.
Ikakasal na ako! You know?
No, 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 no. Oh yeah, 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 yeah.
Compliment yun ako. Ang ganda ko ba? Dali, sabihin niyo maganda ako.
Duling.
Showing me things I didn't see, just because you love me. I could just be. I write a song that.
Dear Mahal, Patricia, lubos ako nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng mga sakripisyo at effort mo para mairaos itong kasal natin. Tunay na maligaya ang aking puso sa araw na ito dahil alam ko na panghabang buhay na ang ating pagmamahalan.
This is love, 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 love. Kind of love. This is love, 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 love. I never knew, I never had, I never knew, I never had before. This is love, love.
I know God is faithful because I prayed for the right man for me, and He let me marry you. Today, I promise to love you with all my heart. Pangako kong iintindihan ka kahit mahirap, kahit may tampuhan.
Never, never, never had before.
Pinapangako ko sa iyo na ang pagsasama natin ay magiging matiwasay at mapagkumbaba na may takot sa Diyos at magiging pamilya natin. Sana malaman mo ng buong puso at buong buhay ko ang aking igugugol para lamang mapangalagaan at ang ating magiging pamilya.
Even if I'm leaving you at the door, even when I know that you're never alone.
Kasama mo ako, kakampi mo ako sa lahat ng laban, and I'll take care of you always and unconditionally.
Even when I'm playing in the fire.
I won't be a perfect wife, pero pangako kong ibibigay ko ang best ko sa'yo para mapasaya kita, para maging magaan at maganda ang bawat araw natin, at para maramdaman mo palagi na hindi ka nagkamali, na ako ang pinili mo makasama habang buhay. Mahal na mahal kita.
Days will be parted for us. Tell me the lies. In another lifetime, I will never change my mind. I will do it again. Ooh, 1,000 times.
me go back to the...
Makakagimik pa tayo.
Clock strikes upon the hour and the sun begins to fade.
Isiguraduhin ko na malayo at ligtas ka sa anumang kapahamakan at panghabang buhay kang mamahalin hanggang sa abot ng aking lakas at buhay.
I've been alright up till now. It's the light of day that